These are the only trades you need to know about today, starting with number 10 in Monsanto. Shares of the Fortune 500 company getting a boost from investors in the pre-market after the company not only topped analyst estimates for first quarter profits, but also boosted its full year forecast as seed sales climbed in Latin America and also the U.S. Dom?
Well, number 9 is Yum Brands, the owner of KFC. The KFC operator has downgraded their full-year earnings estimates after seeing their sales in China take a hit, falling 6% for comparable store sales in the fourth quarter, more than the company's prior forecast of a 4% decline. Josh.
And number 8, JetBlue. Deutsche Bank has taken a more bearish view on the New York-based airline, cutting the company to hold from buy on modest growth expectations for the year. The German bank also cut its price target for the company $1 to $7 a share. Betty.
Well, Josh, at number 7 is GameStop. Shares of the video game seller taking a huge hit in the pre-market after the company announced that holiday sales fell over 4% and lowered its full-year sales forecast, causing shares of the company to trade about 10% lower, as you just saw in the pre-market.
Number 6 is MGM Resorts. The casino and hotel operator was upgraded from neutral to outperform of Credit Suisse based on the company's strengthening balance sheet and potential to boost profitability from its Las Vegas sites. Credit Suisse now has set a price target of $17 a share. Josh.
And number 5 is Facebook. Shares of the world's largest social network are continuing higher in the pre-market after closing at their highest levels in nearly 6 months. CEO Sheryl Sandberg disclosed that she sold over 500,000 shares of the company at about $29 each. Betty.
And at number 4 is Amazon, the world's largest online retailer, surged to a record yesterday, closing 3.6% higher than at the start of the trade. This surge may be threatened by Target, who has announced that it plans to match Amazon's prices year-round.
Well, number 3, Betty, is AT&T. The communications company is entering the arena with Netflix, launching a $5 per month video streaming service that will allow its 4.3 million U-verse customers to watch movies to a month before content is available on Netflix. Alex.
And from movies to metals, number 2 is Alcoa. The aluminum company kicks off the unofficial earnings season after the closing bell this afternoon, with analysts calling for adjusted earnings to come in at 6 cents per share, which would give the company its strongest annual earnings growth in 3 years. Betty.
All right, and at number 1, your number 1 stock to watch is Sears. The struggling department store chain is losing its 4th CEO in 8 years as Lou D'Ambrosio announced that he will step down next month from his position because of family health matters. Chairman Eddie Lampert will step into the role of the CEO at the beginning of next month.